Hey everyone! Welcome to our new nature retreat cabin building channel. I'm so excited to share this journey with you and spread the love for nature. We're all about building sustainable, eco-friendly cabins that blend seamlessly with the environment. From sourcing materials to designing the perfect layout, we'll take you through every step of the process. But it's not just about the cabins, it's about connecting with nature and finding peace in the great outdoors. So, if you're ready to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and immerse yourself in the beauty of nature, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Together, let's build and love nature. See you in the next video.